Hello guys, welcome back on my tutorial on how to use the BitKeep platform. On today's tutorial, I'll be taking us through on how to claim your BitKeep token, which is your BKB token. And in case you don't know, BitKeep launched an airdrop program on the 18th of this month, which is October 2021, and the airdrop program will run all through from 18th of October to 28th of October 2021. Okay, now for you to qualify for this airdrop, we have three classes. One, which is the first classes, and the first classes that will put you on this game, which is that will make you to be qualified for this airdrop, is that one, you must have used the BitKeep wallet before October 1st, and you must have used this wallet to make at least 2 transactions before October 1st. Okay, and if you have done this, congratulations, you are qualified for this very airdrop. Okay, and if you didn't do anything like this, and sorry, you will not be taking part on this airdrop. Okay, do not give up, don't be disappointed. There are lots and lots of airdrop giveaways coming. Okay, so don't give up, keep using your BitKeep app. All right, so specifically this airdrop is for old users. Okay, this airdrop is for BitKeep old users. All right, for those that have been using the app before October 1st and have made at least 2 transactions. Okay, if you have made at least 2 transactions to BitKeep wallet before October 1st, congratulations, you will be receiving 125 BKB. All right, big congratulations to you. All right, now for the second task, which is second task for you to increase your chances of earning the BKB, is this. Now for the second task, you need to deposit an NFT token into your BitKeep wallet. All right, you can do this from now till 28th of this month, being October 2021. Okay, if you deposit an NFT into your wallet from 18th of this month, October, to 28th of this month, October 2021, you will be receiving 250 BKB. All right, meaning you'll be receiving the first reward for that, which is for making at least 2 transactions, which is 125 BKB, and 250 BKB for depositing an NFT, which is 125 plus 250, that is 375 BKB. That's what you'll be receiving. Congratulations to you. All right, now for the mega one, which is 1250 BKB. To receive this 1250 BKB, what you need to do is this: you need to make use of the BK swap. Right, you need to make a swap on your BitKeep wallet using the BK swap. Right, now in case you are confused, like how do I find BK swap? What's the link? Where do I get the link from? There is no link. Okay, BK swap is right inside your BitKeep wallet. Now to locate your BK swap, you need to click on this swap button at the bottom here of your wallet. Click on the swap button. I'll be clicking it now. Click on it. All right, now we see at the top here we have market, we have swap, and we have bridge. Okay, so what you do with this, you click on the swap. Now we are on swap. Okay, this is BKB. Look at the bottom here, you see the logo here, BKB swap. All right, now you can make any swap from here. All right, you can swap any tokens from here. You can swap any amount. Okay, you can swap $5, $10, $20, 100, 1000, 10,000. There is no minimum amount to swap for you to qualify. Okay, and there is no maximum amount to swap to qualify. All right, whichever amount you swap, you will still be getting your 1250 BKB. All right, so make your swap to increase your chances of earning more BKB. Okay, you see this last one is very, very important, because I love this last task. Okay, I love it in the sense that the price, the reward is very, very high, 1250 BKB. Do you know how much that will worth? Let's say after the launch of BKB in the exchange, what will 1 BKB cost? Who knows? Who knows? It makes what a fortune. Okay, so you can't afford to lose this last one. Okay, use the BK swap. All right, I've just shown you how to do it. Use the BK swap so you claim the 1250 BKB. When you add it to the 375 BKB you have already, we will now be having 1625 BKB or so. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you have done all these tasks, now you want to claim your reward. Okay. Please, I want you to take note of this. You don't need to do the 3 tasks to claim your reward. Okay. You can do, if you have done this first task, which is the primary task for you to qualify, is the number 1 task you need to do to qualify. Okay, which is use the BitK swap before October 1st. Okay, you must have used it before October 1st and make at least 2 transactions. Okay, if you have done this task, like I said, you will be getting 125 BKB. You can claim it. You can just claim it instantly. Right. The second task, which is deposit an NFT, you can also claim it even without doing the last task. Okay, right, the last task is make a swap to do the BK swap. All right, so now to claim your BKB, this is how you go here. This is how you go about it. You see at the top of my screen here, I have my wallet. I have the BKB logo here. Then I have the chat button here. Then I have 4 dotted buttons here also. Okay. Now what I'll be doing is this. I'll be clicking on the BKB coin logo. Click on it. Okay, now yes, here we are. Okay, you see now this is the page where you claim your airdrop token. Okay, you can see here now I'm having 0 BKB. The reason being that I started using this app after 1st of October. Okay, this is the main reason why I was not qualified. I'm not qualified for this airdrop. Though I've been making some transactions, I've done some series of transactions, but I was not qualified. I was still not qualified because I did not use the app before October 1st. I started using it after October 1st. Okay. Now, in case you are qualified and you have some airdrop, some BKB to withdraw, to claim here, all you just have to do is to click on the receive button. Okay. You click on it. Okay. You see here now, you do not meet the requirement. This is because I'm not qualified and I don't have any BKB to claim. Alright, so in case you have a BKB to claim, automatically once you click on the receive button, your BKB will be transferred to your wallet automatically. Okay, within a second it will be transferred to your wallet immediately. Alright, so you see the process is very simple. It's very simple. In case you have done the first task and you have not in case you qualified, okay, for the airdrop, which is if you qualify automatically, you will be receiving 125 BKB. Okay, to increase the chances of earning, don't forget to deposit an NFT to claim your 250 BKB. And secondly and thirdly, don't forget to make a swap using the BKB using the BK swap. Alright. Okay, now lest I forgot, we have a cloud wallet. Bitkeep have a cloud wallet. Alright, now for you to add your cloud wallet, for you to bind your cloud wallet with your existing wallet, all you have to do is this. You see this 4 dotted button here, you click on it. Alright, once you click on it, you click on cloud. Automatically my cloud wallet has been created. It's very easy. Okay, there's no much work to do. Alright, so you can see here now we have the BKB token here. I'm having 0. You can see my cloud wallet here. These are my cloud wallets. Alright, so the process is very simple. So congratulations for those that are qualified for the airdrop. A big congratulations to you. And for those that did not qualify for this airdrop, please don't be disappointed. Alright, there are lots of giveaways coming in. Okay, so don't give up. Keep using your Bitkeep wallet. And lest I forget, Bitkeep wallet has a new update on Play Store. Go to Play Store, update your app, okay, to keep enjoying the seamless benefits, okay, of Bitkeep wallet. Alright, so thanks for following up. Have a great day.